Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as it helps the video out a ton. Don't forget to leave a comment as well. That helps as well. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. I think I've got everything that YouTube wants me to say out of the way. So let's get into today's dish. This pizza is called the Bruni, and it is a 6-ounce ball of my pizza dough. Now, the only difference with this dough versus the dough recipe you're going to get at the end of this video is instead of all-purpose flour, I use double O flour, something I really do recommend. And then, standard sauce recipe, some mozzarella cheese, some diced red onions, a bit of deli-style salami. And don't forget to preheat the oven to 550 degrees and take the oven rack and place it as close to the bottom of the oven as possible. And now we're going to add some Italian sausage. And typically you'll want to cook this for about 6 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the crust is golden brown. So, I know with ovens, cooking times can vary a little bit. And then we just want to sprinkle a little bit of dried oregano on top. And again, pop it in the oven. All right, and through the magic of cooking show editing, our pizza is done. And that's the Bruni Pizza. Done. So here's how we make the pizza dough. In a bowl, as you can see here, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add 2 packs of instant dry active yeast. If you use regular active dry yeast, not the instant stuff, then you will have to warm up the beer to about 110, give or take. Then we want to add a teaspoon and a half of sea salt. And then you want to add 16 ounces or 1 tall boy of beer. Can be pretty much any beer you like. I just go with Budweiser because that's what I like. Okie dokie. Then we just want to get our paddle attachment and turn it on and let this mix around, knead around for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I took the dough out. Formed it into a ball, got about, a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon worth of olive oil, covered it. Then I covered the bowl with a towel, put it in a depowered oven, oven that's turned off, and let that proof for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Then I divided it into 5-ounce balls, covered them on a baking sheet, and let them proof again for about 45 minutes. Now, if you want this dough to develop flavor further, seal the, put it in either a Tupperware thing and seal that, or cover this in clear film and leave that down in the fridge for 24 to 72 hours. All right, that's pretty much the dough recipe. Here's how you make my classic pizza sauce. You take 28 ounces of tomato sauce, add a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. All right, and then you want to combine everything in a crock pot with a little whisk here. Then you want to cook covered for at least 1 hour on high, and then at least 1 more hour on low. And then just keep it on low and just use it while you're making your pizzas. And that's pretty much the pizza sauce.